Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll share some easy steps on how to add Facebook friend in Subway Surfers. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open Subway Surfers on your phone or any other devices. On the main screen, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Now look for the option that says connect to Facebook and tap on it. A pop-up will appear asking for permission. Tap on the continue button and just log in using your Facebook account. Once connected, Subway Surfer will automatically sync with your Facebook friends who also play the game. To view your friends, go to the leaderboard section from the main screen. Tap on Friends button. Here you'll see your Facebook friends' high score and you can compete with them weekly. And that's how you can add Facebook friend in Subway Surfers.